It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Rd in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2019 Toyota Sienna LE. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Sienna. On the driver's door, power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, auto express windows, and the child lock button. Here we have the power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support. To the left of the steering wheel is the traction control button. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. On the left side are the audio buttons, and on the right side we've got lane departure alert and forward collision alert. Here we have the digital dash. Down below we've also got our cruise control buttons. Next we have our infotainment screen. This screen also doubles as our backup camera. Down below are the climate control buttons with air conditioning. We've also got heated front seats and some USB and power plug-ins. Under the hood of the Sienna is the 3.5-liter V6 engine. We've got 17-inch aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, roof rails up top, rear tinted windows, as well as rear sliding doors. So come take a look at the 2019 Toyota Sienna LE today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.